What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today I want to show you once again a Travis Scott look. I want to show you how to recreate exactly this look right here that he posted on his Instagram account. It's his last Instagram post, and you guys have been requesting this look a lot. It's that kind of washed out, blown out vintage look, and I want to show you how to recreate this look using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app today. Now, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to save some time, you can download that preset now from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And in that all presets pack, there's not only the 200 presets, but also every preset that I will be releasing in the future is automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get a growing presets pack, which is a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything you need from me, if there's anything I can help you with, if you have ideas for new videos that I can do for you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open up the app right here, and I've chosen this picture of Travis Scott once again. To me, it looks as if it was taken on a mobile phone. There's not a lot of edit going on. So the first thing we want to do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side here. And then what you want to do is recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. Pull up the shadows on the bottom left side and then just create that really smooth curve towards the upper right side. And once you have this, we are done here. Then we want to boost up the exposure a little bit to 0.11 right here. Pull down the contrast to -27. Boost up the highlights to +13 and pull down the shadows to -28. Pull down the whites as well a little bit to -7 and the blacks all the way down to -36 right here. Then we're done with the lights. We go over to the colors tab. What you want to do here is just pull down the temperature a little bit to around -8 here, and then the tint we want to pull down all the way to -12 into that green area. Once you have this, we are done in this tab. We go up, we hit the mix on the upper right side here. What you want to do for the red tones is just boost the hue to around +35 and pull down the saturation a little bit to -22. This is just going to affect his sweater in this case, so we just want to soften that a little bit and pull down the saturation. So that's what we've done here. The orange, yellow, green, aqua tones we're not going to change, but the blue tones here, this is going to affect the sky. What you want to do is pull down the hue to -27, give it that kind of green tint, then the saturation down to -8, and boost up the luminance all the way up to +26. Then we are done here. We go to grading on top here, and what you want to do for the shadows right here is pull the hue to 262 and then boost up the saturation to around 35 or 36. And now the luminance down here, we want to pull that down to -51 right here. Then we go over to the midtones, pull the hue to 211 and the saturation up to 21 or 22, and the luminance up in this case all the way, just to wash it out a little bit, all the way to 47 here. And now the highlights, what you want to do is pull the hue to 71 and the saturation up to 38. And then we are done here. Now the last thing we want to do is go over to the effects here, and we just want to pull down the clarity a little bit to -23 or 23 right here is perfect. It's just getting a little softer, more washed out, more vintage. And then dehaze, we want to pull that down to -7, and we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and once again, I think we came super close to this Travis Scott inspired vintage blown out look. Once again, we're only using our smartphone and the free Lightroom app, so I'm really excited to have shared this with you today. Now, as I said in the beginning, I've created a preset on exactly this look as well. If you want to save some time or you're having troubles following along to the tutorial, feel free to download it from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you get a growing presets pack, which is a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell if you haven't already. And of course, if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited for your requests for new videos or just ideas or questions in general. So I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your love, the support that you're showing to me and my work and this channel here. I really appreciate that, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.